Some people do not hurt you loudly. They smile. They speak softly. They offer help. But inside, they are dangerous. This story teaches an important life lesson. Long ago, there was a quiet lake. The water was clean. Many fish lived there. Small animals were happy. Near the lake lived a crane. The crane was old. His wings were weak. Catching fish was hard now. So the crane made a plan. He stopped hunting. He stood on one leg. He stayed very still. The animals were surprised. The fish asked him, "Why are you not hunting? Why are you so quiet?" The crane said softly, "I do not want to hurt anyone now. I heard bad news. This lake will dry very soon." The fish became afraid. The crane continued, "But don't worry. There is another lake nearby. I can carry you there, one by one." His voice was calm. His words were kind. The fish trusted him. Every day, the crane took one fish away. The fish never came back. There was no noise, no fight, no blood. Slowly, the lake became empty. The crane became fat and strong. Remember this: danger does not always shout. Sometimes it whispers. In the lake lived a crab. The crab watched carefully. He noticed three things. The fish were disappearing. The crane looked healthier. The lake was becoming silent. The crab did not speak loudly. He did not panic. He waited. One day, the crab said to the crane, "Please take me too." The crane felt happy. He thought, "One more meal." The crane carried the crab in the air. While flying, the crab looked down. He saw a rock. On the rock, there were many fish bones. Now the crab understood everything. The crane laughed and said, "Yes, I fooled them all." The kind face was gone. The crab stayed calm. He did not cry. He did not shout. He waited. Then he closed his claws around the crane's neck. The crane struggled, but it was too late. The crane fell. The crab survived. The hunter lost. The thinker won. This story is about real life. Some people talk nicely, but think only about themselves. They say, "I want to help you," but their actions say something else. Do not trust only words. Watch actions. Watch patterns. Ask yourself, who is gaining? Who is losing? Who is becoming stronger? The crab did not rush. He observed. That saved his life. You do not need to be strong. You do not need to be loud. You need to be calm. A calm mind sees clearly. Silence can be wisdom. If this story made you think, please like the video. Share it with someone who needs this lesson. Subscribe to the channel for more simple stories with deep meaning and easy English. Because sometimes the biggest danger comes with a smile.